Start a new clip. Edit and paste the file name in my notepad here. File save. Now it's time to check up the loom. So I'm going to play the loom back and see how good it is. Grab the loom URL, right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then play it back in 2.5 speed.
So, want to change the settings, 999. Okay. Start recording head count. The video file. Move my notes. Right here, right. 35. Column 10 and camera here. Swipe, camera, video, record. Okay. Now with the head mark. Head mark. Stop this. Then if it doesn't have enough power, I'm going to add another external power. This power. The red mounted tablet. You can see the red light means that it is not fully charged. Now let's see if it actually works. I'll turn it on again. One camera. Record video.
Okay, I suspended the playback on Loom since it was perfectly good. Then I copied and pasted my notes into it. Now I want to add a summary, so I'm going to click on the button that says add a summary and paste my notes as a summary. So I pasted it twice, one time as a comment and another time as a summary. And now I want to add 3 chapters. The first, second and opening, chapter 1, then 20 seconds later, chapter 2, and then chapter 3, 30 seconds, and the remaining, and save them. So by this time I finished playing back and checking that loom. And another thing that I forgot to do is to grab the loom URL, copy it back into the buffer, and make sure that first of all I placed it in my notepad, the very top here, paste, and file, save, then edit as a comment to the current PSR. Okay, so I added it to my notes, to the current PSR. Now that that is done and is perfectly good, I'm going to minimize it and test the next recording, which is the Cyberlink UCam. I'm going to stop it first, then double click it to play it back. Edit, paste the file name in my notepad here, file save. Now it's time to check out the loom. I'm going to play the loom back and see how good it is. Grab the loom URL, right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then play it back in 2.5 speed. Now I edit this, paste the comment. Paste it in my notes. And file save. And I'm going to close it and X out of it since it was perfect. And now I want to play back MSN recorder. I do not want to upload it, but I do want to play it back. Start to record it. I want to make it much smaller so it doesn't take the entire screen. Line it up at the bottom left of the screen, while you came in the right. You're terrorizing me already. I didn't do anything. Why terrorize? So what's the benefit of the terror all the time? Which camera is it? I don't need this camera. See if I can change cameras now. I want to get the camera that is higher up. Microsoft Live Cam. Let's try one. Microsoft Live Cam. There's only one. Let's see which one is this one. This one is this one here. No. This one, yes, this is the one I want. Then I'm going to make it larger. Okay. So we have started to put it from here. And in addition to the, I'm going to put also SAR. I want to change the settings to 999. Okay. Start recording and edit comment with the video file name. Move my notes. The file name. Now I want to turn on my camera there. Slide. Camera. Video. And record. Since everything was perfectly good. Okay. Now I want to add my mount. Okay. I stopped the playback on MSN recorder. That was perfect. and refresh Psar. Save Psar. Psar stands for Problem Step Recorder. EXE for executable. And this is going to be version D, so I upgrade version D to E. And the current time is 1:46. The previous stop was at 1:44, so this is 2 minutes later. And now I want to insert a prefix with the path to psar.exe, which I insert as the first position of the file name field, followed by a backslash. Press the backslash. Now focus on the psar.exe, and then focus on the file name field, right mouse click, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then save. And then click review additional details to see that that was 15 steps. Step 15 being the last one. And at this point, I'm basically done. And all I have to do is the files that are not on the internet already, I would transfer them from the various devices to the hard drive. So I need to make a file name for the hard drive. And it's going to start with today's date and time. And then the time now is 1:46. And that is Sarah's birthday. So I'm going to put that right here. Delete Sarah's birthday. Celebration. We can cut it down a little, make it celeb, just to save space. Copy to the clipboard buffer. And now all of it is going to go to the hard drive. So I need to make some folders on my hard drive. And I'll select drive F and video, and start with Galaxy and black. So create a new folder and paste the new folder name. Then copy to the clipboard buffer and insert it into, or paste it into purple, paste, Explorer, and then scroll down into HMT, red, and paste it into red, Explorer, then finally iView, paste it into iView, Explorer, and then we'll start by stripping the media. I'll start by stopping one of the phones here. Take the phone out, stop the recording. Record video. Connect it to my computer. Tie it up with the rubber band. I want to first of all close all the apps and strip all the media. So I'm going to open up an instance of File Explorer, navigate to Galaxy, to SD card, to DCIM, to camera, then change the view to the details. Take the first one, shift to the last one, right mouse click and cut from the phone, And then I want to go to black and paste it into the hard drive. And then make a little folder in my notepad. So at any one time I know which files I have to upload to YouTube. So I'm going to make a little area here marked by less than signs, then the path, edit, paste, and then greater than sign to demark it from the rest. Then as soon as this is done, I will upload those videos that have not been uploaded yet to YouTube. For that purpose, I'm going to open the channel on the YouTube. Let's see if we can restore and get the channel here. And then I want to select and make sure that everything is edited in the first 50 citations. And if something is not yet edited, then I'll finish editing it right now. Let's see if my Pixar is still working. No, so I can start a new and then add a comment with the previous file name. Okay. And now I'm prepared to copy the name of the file which I have in my clipboard, edit as a comment to Pixar, paste it on the current Pixar, and then wait for it to finish. As you can see, it's not finished yet. At the same time, I can start a new recording from another set of goggles. I'm looking for them and I cannot find them as of now. Where's the other set of my goggles here? So I'm going to disconnect this set of goggles from the power supply. Start the recording from this set of goggles. I'll make another video of that. Start another video of that. Start another video of that and start another video of MSN Recorder. So I'm going to paste also at the top of the file. File save. And edit also as a comment to Pixar. Record video. So now I want to swap the eye view. So I turned on the second set of eye views. And then I start recording from them. And I watch this green light blinking, which means that it is recording. As I'm going to stop the current eye view, and notice this is marked with a rubber band, which is my color version, as opposed to the other version that is my no color version. So now I'm going to press the second button here on the current eye view to stop the current eye view recording. then to turn it off altogether, keep it depressed. I heard one buzz, which means that it stopped recording, and I see that the light stopped blinking. So I'm pressing it one more time and keep it depressed, and I will narrate the buzz. Buzz, a long buzz, which means that now it's no longer recording, so I'm taking it off as I'm mounting a second pair of the eye view goggles so I can record the process of stripping the media off of the set that I've just recorded and record it with the other set that I haven't used yet. For that purpose, I have to elevate a little bit my head-mounted tablet. And now I want to take out the iView micro SD card and relieve it from the data. So I'm pressing it in here. And now another camera that I can use that makes sense is the Loom camera, but this time I want to change the camera. Instead of the previous camera that I was using, I don't want to default to the Microsoft camera, or maybe I should continue it. No, let me take another camera. Instead of the Microsoft camera, I want to take the Web Max Capture, UVC, JCreate. The camera that I want doesn't show up. OBS Virtual, I don't know what happened, but I might have somehow disconnected it. What happened to this camera? Why is it not working? Oh, this camera, okay. This camera also that's not working for some reason. Or are they all not working? I do not know, but seems like they don't work for some reason or another. I don't know why. So anyway, so we will go with the current one. I'll just make it larger. Okay, so now I can move it downwards so you can see what I'm doing with my hands. So I'm going to take out the micro SD card. Pop it out of the compartment, slide it out, gently, and then I will try to insert it into the computer so I can strip the media off of that. Now that I got it to work, I want to open another instance of File Explorer, scroll down to DCIM, to SDXC, open up the folder and mark the first one, shift to the last one, cut, and then I want to paste it to my hard drive. I'm going to go to an empty area, I want to remove the phone that has been emptied and stripped, connected to the external hard drive, the external power supply to charge it. So here I have another charger, 55% charged. And now I want to cut it off of my external device. Open another instance of File Explorer and find a target to paste it at. So take it, move it to the side. That will be drive F. And this time it is going to go to video subfolder off of drive F, and in it to iView, today's date. Then I'm going to make another new folder and call it, oh, it's made up already, so I will just paste it here, paste, and by Explorer, select Explorer, then copy the path and go to my notepad again and paste it in my notepad. Edit, paste, and file, save. In the meantime, I see that my transfer of data has been completed from the movie, from the DCIM, so I can take it out and remove the micro SD card and place the micro SD card back in the iView. And recharge this iView. Now it is the media has been removed from the iView. Now I want to connect the iView to the wall power to recharge it and let it recharge for a while. And you can see that the red light here, solid red light, which means that it is being recharged as we speak. Okay, so now the next task is to upload some media to the World Wide Web, to YouTube. So for that purpose, I would like to go into the various folders in video, but in video in drive F. I want to go to drive F, and in it to videos, and in it scroll down to iView, open iView in today's date. Let's enlarge it also. I want to split it into two groups so it doesn't exceed 15 folders, because I have 21 folders and I can only upload the first 15 first. So I mark the first 15, cut, create a new subfolder, and paste it into the new subfolder using Explorer. So now I copy the path, and first of all I'm going to add it into my folders to be uploaded to YouTube. Edit, paste, widen it, and then file, save, then to the browser again and upload, select files, paste the path copy the first one, shift to the last one, copy the whole string to the clipboard buffer and open it, then go back to my notepad and paste the files that I've just uploaded. And now file save. Okay. Then we're going to take a break and continue later. I'm going to stop the recording on my goggles first. Oh no, on my head mount. Stop recording. Stop recording. Okay, stop recording on the head-mounted tablet. Then I want to stop recording on my phone. So I press the stop button, turn the flash off. Flash off!